The S1 database in EconAssist has 10 years of filings, with over 65,000 records. The database is based on S1 SEC filings, used by companies planning on going public to register their securities with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The reason these filings are valuable for valuators is that they are based on a significant amount of research and can include topics such as risk factors, trends, and industry-specific discussions. The disclosures can potentially provide information that's pertinent to a valuation that is related to both industry segments and location or geography. There are two ways to search the database. The first is by SIC code or industry type. This provides the industry-specific perspective, and reviewing S1 filings can shed light on industry trends, forecasts, risk, etc. The second way to search the database is by location, which provides a geographic perspective. Since there's only a few sections in an S1 that provide relevant information, they're very quick to skim. Let's take a look at the S1 database and see how it works.
When the S1 database opens, you'll see there's a standard search and a detailed search. In the standard search, you can enter a SIC code or a SIC description. In the detailed search, you can enter a SIC code, a SIC description, but also start date, end date, location, and form types. So let's take a look at searching for 5812, which is restaurants. Input the SIC code and select search. You'll see we have 518 records. If we want to limit that, for example, by a period of time, we can put in January 1st, 2015 to December 31st, 2015, and hit search again. In this case, you'll notice there's now 28 records. If you wanted to, you could select the drop-down box and select by area or state. You can also select the drop-down map and select by region. Once you've narrowed down the records that you want to look at, you can just click View. When you click the View button, you'll be brought to the Edgar page with all the detailed filings. If you scroll down, you'll notice there's one that says Complete Submission Text File. Most of these are actually HTML files, so if you save them as an HTML file and open them in your browser, you can see them in a formatted manner, which is much easier. After you save the S1 as an HTML file and open it in your browser, you can scroll through it. You can also scroll through it just as a raw text file, but it has all the HTML formatting codes in it, which makes it harder to look at. So let's just scroll down to the table of contents. In a quick look, there's a couple of areas that we might want to look at: risk factors, business, and you'll scroll through and just go to those sections and see if there's anything that's pertinent to your valuation. When you can scroll through a number of these, you can find some nuggets of information that can be very helpful that sometimes is hard to find in any other way.